Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle the Cheesecake Factory specialty dish, chicken Madeira. Pretty simple to make, a lot of flavors. We're doing it next, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're going to tackle chicken Madeira. Madeira? I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, it's one of the hottest dishes at Cheesecake Factory. So we're going to start off with our saucepan. About 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to saute 1 shallot. And then we'll toss in a couple cloves of diced garlic. Now, once that garlic starts to perfume, what do? We add liquid. So Madeira wine, if you can't find it, port wine, which is what I'm using because I couldn't find the Madeira wine. So we'll pour in about a half a cup or so of the port wine. Give a good mix. And we'll let that cook for a few minutes. Next, what I've got is about 2 cups of sliced portobello mushrooms that we're going to toss into the saucepan. And we'll hit those with a little bit of salt to help bring some of the moisture out of them. And we're going to let that cook down for a few minutes before we add some chicken stock or vegetable stock, about a cup. And we'll just let that simmer and start to reduce. Now let's get out our frying pan, non-stick if you have it. We'll add a nice knob of butter, turn the heat on medium, a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil, whatever you have handy. And I've got 2 chicken breasts that I've cut in half lengthways, so that gives me 4 thin slices of chicken. And we're just going to pop those into the pan and start to brown in the olive oil and butter. And while that's going on, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family all about us. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. And I appreciate you all very much. Thank you for watching and checking in weekly. Alright, after about 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to hit those with some little salt and pepper. And then we're going to flip them over and get the other side browned up. Okay, let's turn those over. And once we have this side browned up a little bit, we're going to remove from the frying pan. And we're going to put these onto a baking rack. And we're going to need some shredded mozzarella cheese. Little salt and pepper on that side as well to season. Check our sauce with our mushrooms. They needed just a little bit of butter to help thicken them up. And keep that reducing. Okay, so we've got our cookie rack, cookie sheet covered in foil. We're going to put the chicken breasts on it. Then we're going to top with mozzarella cheese. Got my oven preheated at 350 degrees. And we'll pop this into the oven until that cheese is melted very well and start to bubble and brown a little bit. Now for a side dish for this meal, I made some asparagus and some small roasted potatoes. And that's what we're looking for with the chicken. So we'll put 2 pieces on the plate. And then we'll put our side dishes on. Start with the asparagus first. And then we'll add our roasted potatoes. And then we'll top the chicken off with the Madeira sauce. And you have a delicious chicken Madeira just like Cheesecake Factory made at home. And it's delicious.